if someone clicks on your link on this website, you're going to be getting paid for it. You're not paying to start. This is totally free. This is the laziest way to make money online right now, and it only takes a few seconds for you to get started with this website. So now I have two accounts, which one has over $17 plus in it. Now if you convert that, I should be making 27,000 naira for myself in this website. Before I get started with this video, if you're coming across my channel for the first time or you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Joakim, and so what I do on this platform is that I show you several ways which you can earn online. An invaluable exchange. Please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. I believe you've done that, so let's dive into today's business. Take a look at the dates and take a look at the profits I made. This is just individuals making a click on a particular link I have sent out. This is me teaching you CPA marketing for free, and what CPA means is cost per action. So once individuals are able to click on your link, no matter where you have actually sent this link, you're going to be getting paid on this website. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can copy your own link for free and also send this link out for people to click, and once they click this link, you're going to be paid instantly into your account. If you really want to make money using this particular website, you need to pay close attention to every details I'll be explaining in this video. Right now, to get started on this platform, you need to sign up for an account. Now what you just need to do is to click the first link below the description of this video or on the pinned comment section, and it's going to bring you over to this interface where it says monetize every audience type. Now, no matter what audience and web or mobile traffic you want to monetize, we are ready to meet your expectation for outstanding balance between revenue and experience for your users. So now, this is not actually you paying any amount of money. You're going to be monetizing every single thing you do on this website. You can see where it says website, Telegram mini apps, social traffics, email, paid traffics, and when math inventory. Now the next thing you want to do once you have actually landed on this page is to come over to this icon right here where you are going to see sign up. Then you click on sign up. Now you need to pay close attention to details you'll be inserting when you are signing up for an account. Now once you come over here, you're going to be seeing create with email or continue with Google. So once you come over to create with email, it's going to bring out these details for you. Please, all you just need to do is to input your details correctly into this particular box. Then once you're done, you come down here to continue this process. Then you follow the prompt to set up an account for yourself and make sure your details are your correct details while signing up on this platform. So as you can see, once you sign up for an account, they said, dear partner, you have just started monetizing traffic with money tags. Congratulations. So on this particular website, you're going to be monetizing your clicks and getting paid for it. So right now, when you sign into your account, this is the particular link that you are going to share to your friends or you are going to share out of this platform. And once individual actually clicks on this link, they don't have to do anything. Just a click is going to give you money into your account. Now you can see how to copy the link and use it wherever you see fit. Use it wherever you want. Link to the items on your website landing page to open as a propounded when the user clicks, or simply send traffic from various social media sources. Now what next? They said the link is already active. Now I'll be showing you how to activate your own link so you can also copy your link, then send your link out so you can earn. Now it says, and you can check in your statistic. Please note that it takes some time for the statistics to accumulate, meaning when someone clicks on your link, you don't actually get it reflected on your dashboard. You have to wait for some minutes before you can actually see the earnings on your statistic. So that is what it means. Now to get your own link activated, what you just need to do is to come over this option box right here. You're going to see direct link, then click on direct link. So once you click on direct link, you're not going to be seeing any link right here. You'll be the one to activate your link on your account. So once your link is activated, it's going to look like this, where you can actually see copy link. Okay, so once you are able to copy your link, you can now share your link to any platform you wish to share your link. Now this is a strategy I'm going to show you right in this video that can make you more clicks and more money into your account. Now once you have actually activated your link, the next thing you want to do is to copy your link. Now we'll be using Twitter as an example in this video. Now you can actually see that my Twitter account is optimized, so you can also do that to your account. Make your account optimized. You can also do well to follow me on Twitter. You can find the handle down there in the video description or on the pinned comment section. Now this is what I want you to do. You create a tweet on your Twitter account, or you create a particular post. Make sure you have a banner on your account. Now what you just want to do is to tweet on your profile. To tweet, just come over to this plus sign right here, then come down here to write something like how to make money online in a very fast method. This is just like an example. I don't really want to take much in this video. So now what I want to do is to make a captivating thumbnail or a picture that you are actually going to attach to this particular tweet you are actually writing on your account. So now you can just come down here and say click to get access. Then you come down here and paste your link. Okay, then you come down here and paste your link. Okay, so once you just post this, I'm not actually using any picture or any thumbnail. What you just have to do is to paste this on your account. Now this is what I wrote: how to make money online in a very fast method. Click to get access. So anyone that actually clicks this particular link, I'm just going to be getting my income in that account. That particular person that clicks the link does not have to do anything at all. Just clicking the link alone is okay for me to earn on that platform. Now the other method I'm going to show you in this video will skyrocket your earnings in this platform. I call it the automated way of earning through clicks. Okay, so if you want me to make a video on that, on the automated clicks, just go down in the comment box below and type automated click. So once I'm able to get a reasonable amount of comments in this video, I'm going to make a video about that, and that is going to skyrocket your earnings in this platform. After making your earnings on this website, the next thing you want to do is to place your withdrawal on your account. Now just have to come over this icon right here where you're going to see payments. Right now what you just want to do is to come down where it says set a payment method. So once you click on set a payment method, it's going to bring you over to this place where you can see available payment options you can use to set up your withdrawal method. Now we have the PayPal, which the minimum withdrawal threshold is $5. We also have the Skill, which the minimum withdrawal is also $5. Now we also have the Pioneer. You can also come down over to the cryptocurrency. You can also withdraw using your cryptocurrency account, that is the Bitcoin, the USDT, the TRC, or the USDT. So these are ways you can use to place withdrawal on your account. You can actually set up your payment method using any of these, so you can be able to place withdrawal on your account. So right now you can just go ahead to use the link below the description of this video to implement. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always remind you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, it is advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I want giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to make money online. You can find these links down there in the video description or on the pinned comment section. See you on my next video and keep winning.